I have chicken here and I'm gonna do completely different today. It's gonna be chicken on top of rice with all around vegetables. Kind of Japanese type salad. We'll see how it works. Here is my rice. This is a long grain rice. Chicken marinated with thyme and spices. Rice, I have the onion and vermicelli. Rice in. Here is rice cooking. And I'm cutting some veggies here. This one. Gonna make a bowl. My bowl is ready for rice and chicken. Sizzling chicken, so delicious. Here is my chicken salad bowl.